Sitting here in a Chinese doctor's office. It's like an urgent care. They have like everything here. It's 6 floors tall and it has ultrasounds and all kinds of crazy stuff. And then I bought a Chinese Coca-Cola, but it's hot. The machine's not cold, it's warm. Okay, so this Coke right here in China, it costs 3 Chinese yuan, which translates to 43 cents. This is so cheap, it's crazy. This is a 4-way intersection. The streets are very big in Beijing, really wide and open. You see they have a crosswalk like in USA, and this crosswalk has this green. It's not coming on the camera very good, but that's a bright green. And of course stop is red. There's a lot of large buildings here. It's like skyscrapers everywhere.
It's not skyscraper. This is regular residential areas. Those are all condos.
I'm being told that in fact that these are not skyscrapers. This is just a regular residential area. Delivery driver. They don't have Amazon here. They have Red Wagon Deliveries. This is a barber shop about to open. They're renovating. I can see inside. They were working on it earlier. The scooters are very popular in Beijing. We are stopping here at China Mobile. We're gonna get us a SIM card. And then we got people going by. See how popular the scooters are? Yeah, so we'll go China Mobile and get a SIM card. Then she can use her phone in China. Here we are in Viva Beijing shopping mall. It's a very high-end shopping mall, and it's like 6 stories, maybe 5, we'll find out. So there's a grocery store at the very end on the bottom, and then we're here, the bottom, it's kind of a lot of food, more of a food court, and then of course we come up to the amazing Chow Mi store. Got all that me magic in there, and I already looked around in there and it was pretty cool. Not gonna go back in. And here we go. This is the McDonald's here at Viva Beijing, and I'm gonna blow your mind. First of all, you see that pie? Of course, not in America, but look at this. They have a breakfast combo. It's 11.9 yuan, so 12 yuan. That's less than $2. That's like $1.73 for a breakfast combo. This is a little scary, but then you flip, and you have the Get Rich 2020X. And this is like the emergency exit for the Viva Beijing Mall. Okay, here we are at the entrance of the mall. We had seen the downstairs, and then we're on floor 1. And then you go 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a huge mall with so many things to see.
know.
Here we are inside the Japanese subway. We first went through a semi-security checkpoint. What did I say? Oh, I'm sorry. Here we are in the Chinese subway in Beijing. You go through a security checkpoint. They make you walk through a metal detector and they have you scan your bag, but I have my phone and my wallet in my pocket, so I don't know what they're checking for. And so then you go down like another flight. We went down a flight of stairs to go through security, and another flight of stairs, and now we're walking down this hallway for like 5 minutes. Just everything in Beijing is just huge. Lots of space, I don't know, but they have big roads, long ways, so we're gonna take line 7, I think. 10. Okay, so we went down 2 flights of stairs. Looks like we're going down another flight of stairs. We're going down 3 stories plus just to get to the subway. It's crazy.